Hey hearts, what are you all doing?
Getting ready for this Woman Hearts beauty sale.
It's supposed to be 54% off for her birthday. She's turning 54.
Yeah, I think she said this one was huge. I have a list already.
Hey girl. Yes, I know. That sale is going to be amazing. If I was them, I would run quickly over to that site before everything sells out.
Y'all, she got everything you can think of, and we need to tell everybody. So let's call Miss Hart.
All right, we got to get ready for the sale. I don't know what we're going to do over here. Let's figure things out. Inventory is looking pretty good. Oh, who's calling me? Hold on, let me put this up real quick before I answer. Oh, it's my girls. Oh. Hello. Hey, my hearts.
Happy birthday, Miss Sabrina.
Happy birthday, Sabrina.
Happy birthday, Miss Brina.
Thank you. Y'all been talking about the sale and everything? I know. I'm so excited. Oh, you want me to go ahead and tell everybody? All right. Well, I love you guys too. Talk to you soon. All right. All right. Bye-bye. Yes, you guys, you heard it. You heard it from all of my hearts. We are having a great, big, huge sale, you guys. So everybody come over to womenofheartsbeauty.com and shop your hearts out. We are having a 54% off sale for my birthday. I am turning 54 on Monday. I can't believe it. I always celebrate my birthdays big, and this one I want to celebrate with you guys. And if you catch one of my ambassadors or my affiliates codes, you'll get an extra 15% off, as I'm sure they've already told you. And for this sale, you must spend $35, okay? Don't forget that. Now, what you have to do is you have to follow, because we are trying to reach 3,000 followers, you guys, or more, of course. But we are new to the game, so we want to build up our followers. You have to like, you have to comment, and you have to share. Now, when you comment on any of our pre-birthday posts, any of them, and the comment has to say, Happy Birthday Heart, because that's what they call me, Miss Hart. So, happy birthday, Heart. And you have to be following on the day that we do the giveaway. The giveaway will be held live on August 31st, okay? August 31st, we will be doing the giveaway. You must live in the U.S., you guys. I'm sorry, but you must live in the U.S. All right, now where I was giving away one gift, I am now doing 3. Don't believe me? Just watch. 1, 2, 3. So yes, we will be giving away 3 gifts full of prizes. This way you guys can get a chance to get to know what we do. All right. So the sale is this Friday coming all the way until Sunday midnight. Okay. The giveaway is all the way until the morning of the 31st. So you have plenty of time to follow and share it with friends so they'll follow as well. Okay, we really want to get to 3,000 before we do the giveaway. So let's go. Y'all get us to 3,000 and let's give away some goodies so you can try our products and fall in love with us just like we love us. We love you. Let's go, baby. Always remember, Brina loves you, but God loves you more. Bye-bye.
Oh, girl.